Hello and welcome to my camera channel. Maybe you noticed too. Right now most of the talk is about full frame and Canon and Sony and whatever. Everybody has these new cameras, but I think some people forget one thing, and this is the Olympus EM1 Mark II. For me it's the perfect point and shoot camera because of the image stabilization, and this is why I made this video for you to compare the quality with your existing, I don't know, GH5 or Sony A7R3 or whatever. Okay? Oh, there's just a train coming. I shot the whole video without a tripod or any other equipment, just my EM1 Mark II. All of the video is shot on the C4K mode, so this is the highest quality mode, but it's locked to 24 FPS. Look at the quality and enjoy the show. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about this, and check out my affiliate links to support this channel. I know I'm a very small channel, but you can certainly help my motivation to make more of these videos for you. Okay? So thank you and subscribe. See you. Goodbye.